This is called Switcher Style Pro. Customized switcher style like iPad. This is called Push Tan Bypass. Bypass strip protection of Push Tan version 3.2.1. This is called Spark SA Bypass. Bypass jailbreak detection of Spark SA IHRE mobile file version 5.9.1. Run only bypass tweak on that app using choice C of crash. This is called HS widgets and add today widgets or custom widgets to the home screen. This is called Shadow 13 and 14, and you get different themes, shadow themes, Daret's theme, Carla Diaz theme, Carla Diaz circle theme, wheel theme, settings, so a bunch of themes. This is called Icon Tweak, called iOS 11, 12, and 13, and 14. So swiping the icon on the springboard or tap in edit mode, force touch menu, you can have all these options right here. This is called Gestures 11, Gestures i11, compatible with iOS 13 and 14. You provide these newer features on older devices on iOS 13 and 14. This is called Little Ets, enable iPhone Ets everything and more on iOS 11, 12 devices. This is called Shy Notifications. Don't wake up the screen when receiving a notification. This is called Little 12, brings iPhone X features and more to devices running iOS 14. This is called Sentinel, helps designed to help you avoid re-jailbreaking a device. And this is called Account Changer, helps you log into App Store easily. This is called IG Autoplay, save your data with disabled autoplay. On an Instagram app, you must tap on the video to play it. This is called Super Record Apps Plus, recording a phone call or voice change any audio on device without using an external service. So it's apps right here. You can also, replay, record, delete what you hear. You also record what you hear feature allows you to record every sound that comes out of your device using an activate adjuster. So, and make sure you guys comply with the, the legal policy, legal notice. Mirror developers not taking responsibility for how you guys, use this tweak. So make sure you guys follow the laws in your county or state or country or whatever when using this tweak. This tweak is called Signal. Allows you to take a cellular connection to your Wi-Fi only iPad or iPod Touch. This tweak is called Rogue. 330 plus icons. This is called Pinhead's WhatsApp. It's basically a pinhead chat feature, just like iOS 14, but for WhatsApp. Pinheads, iOS 13, so it gives you pinheads for iOS 13. Choose a theme called Decent UI, set mood, refresh UI. You got My IAP Cracker, there's also My IAP Cracker 3, which is on StemGauge repo. So it's like you get free in-app purchases and you get kind of like mods or hats, like free in-app purchase for like certain apps or games. You see My IAP Cracker, it's version 3. So tweets for apps and system tweets, which iOS and iPad OS 11 to 14. So you got HTN HTML version 2.0 beta 6. So lets you add widgets to your home screen and lock screen, especially good for like older devices. Your tweet's called Pullover Pro, and allows you basically to pull over, so kind of like an app switcher. So pretty cool. It's called Neon Board, and a small unfinished theme engine for iOS 7 to 14. Called Crane, allows you to have multiple containers for applications, so you can actually switch your accounts between each app, and have multiple accounts for each app. So this is the same tweak Crane, but this is a light version, so it's free, but you only can do one app at a time. And last week's called YouTube Reborn, it's YouTube Customizer. So, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace. Last week's called Reach Spring, trigger Reach Spring like a guide invoking the reachability gesture. So, this week is called Tap Archive, so people want to know if it is safe to install. And let's see. So Tap Archive, like I said, the tool for making tap archives. So, and it was updated, so it should be safe to install. You guys, peace.